Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wi-Fi in Windows 10. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now you may be setting up a new device and want to get Wi-Fi set up along with that, so you can start browsing the internet and actually using it. So I'm going to guide you through the steps now and how we can set up our Wi-Fi successfully. So the first step will just please click the Windows button, and from here we just want to type in settings. Now this gives us a few different options, but what we want to look for is network and internet, which can be found here. Now since I'm already connected, mine will look a bit different, but if you haven't actually set up Wi-Fi yet, largely to first set it up. So what you want to do is you just want to follow those instructions. Allows you to put a password of your Wi-Fi. You just want to make sure that is correct, and if it is, you should be able to connect. However, if you run into issues and you can't find a way to connect, we do have a fix for this. So first off, you want to click the Windows button again and just type in Wi-Fi, but this time we're going to look for find and fix network problems, which can be found here. This opens the internet troubleshooter and we can just click next and let it detect our problems. Now obviously might as well detecting a problem as I'm already connected to the internet, but if it's not working for you, hopefully here it will give you some solutions to your problem. But if not, we still have one more fix, and this is the fix I would recommend. So when I was first setting up my PC, I had to buy USB Wi-Fi dongle. It's basically allowed me to access Wi-Fi on my device. There's only about 10 to 20 pounds/dollars, so it's not too expensive to be able to access Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.